Oh, that ain't good. She's full of water.
Oh, I'm drowning. And here we have the wild Marco undoing the VSAT feed horn.
Are you a regular Attenborough fan, are you?
No, I'm just making a meme out of it.
Oh.
And look at him undoing those bolts.
Yeah.
First for the LMB, the transmitter side.
This is the buck.
Okay, the buck.
The buck.
The LMB is the receive side.
That's right.
Oops. I got confused.
They don't make it easy.
No, they don't. As you can see, Michael is buckled into the roof with his nice safety harness, so he's not going anywhere.
See what I've got to put up with?
It's the...
I'd just like to say thank you to the 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you to 1,000 subscribers. You hear it here first from Mr. VK3HAU.
Why is this one so difficult to undo?
Probably just because it's on an angle.
Come on. It's just one screw. Because it's in an awkward position.
Yeah, it's probably on an angle binding up.
Well, it's behind the. It's behind this. Here we go.
The buck has successfully been removed. Is there even any sealant on that?
Oh, it doesn't look like that. Oh, there is a little bit there, but
Not a lot.
it's not a lot.
Most likely why it's got water in front of it.
Careful, don't drop that. Here's my screwdriver.
In a pocket. If anything like it, should just come off. And there we go. One feed horn.
Full of water.
Full of water.
New
Put
one?
the shiny new one on. Did you undo the screws?
No, I did it. One's still protruding. Okay.
There we go. New one. Tighten up those bolts and we'll be all good. What are you doing there, Michael?
Bit of mollycoit.
I like what?
O-ring grease.
O-ring grease.
What's up?
Ah, yummy. Yum, 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 yum. That keeps all the water out of the feed horn, doesn't it?
Yep. Try to.
Tries.
Just like that. Dropped it.
You dropped everything again, didn't you? That's your LMB.
Beat. Let's get two in for now. We'll get the other one up.
Yep. Wipe off all the old grease.
Yeah, there's just hardly any on there.
No wonder it had water in it.
Yeah.
No rust in the RF element.
Good. That's alright. Bit more.
Bit more. And try your hardest not to get it in the RF element.
All good?
Pretty good.
Oh, it's too deep.
Oh,
Can't get my fingers in. There we go.
tighten up the buck. I've got the other two screws in the LMB. I'll be all good.
Shadow one there. Oh. Let's look. Yep, that's looking pretty much the same as what it was. It's slightly better actually, because it's getting about 105 dB at one stage. Yeah, 105, 103. Looking good, Riley. Cold one, full of water. Reckon this calls for Riley? I reckon this calls for a pie.
Oh, nice hot pie.
Yeah, mate.
Sounds like a really nice.
Woohoo! You got a shepherd's pie, mate. How lucky are you?
No, you're spoiling me.
Shut that door when you finish that. Hey Riley, do you want a Coke?
Yeah, one.
Grab a Coke, mate.
Oh, look at that. You want one?
Yeah, grab me one.
There's one for you. There's one for me.
How good is that, eh?